Staying on your lane isn't about ignoring others. It's about respecting the space that was given to you. It's about owning your journey without apology. It's about believing that your pace, whether slow or fast, is valid. When you drift into someone else's lane, you risk collision. When you rush to keep up, you risk burnout. When you keep stopping for everyone behind, you forget that they are capable of adjusting too. Life is safer, smoother, and stronger when we stay faithful to our lane.